Sorting. That deceptively simple, yet absolutely critical process that makes computers vastly more useful than, say, your average teenager's bedroom. Welcome to where we unravel why computers are obsessed with getting things in order, far more than most humans ever will be. Sorting algorithms, as it turns out, are everywhere. They're the unsung heroes of computational science, arranging data in neat, orderly fashion so that computers don't have to fumble around like someone looking for their car keys. Why does sorting matter? Well, imagine searching for a contact in your phone, but instead of names being alphabetically arranged, they're in random order. You'd have to manually scroll through every single one, a tedious experience akin to reading through the entire internet without a search engine. In databases, search engines, and even artificial intelligence, sorting isn't just a luxury, it's fundamental. The faster and more efficiently we can sort data, the quicker we can retrieve relevant information. It's why choosing the right sorting algorithm can make the difference between a system running smoothly and one metaphorically setting itself on fire. But not all sorting algorithms are created equal. Some, like bubble sort, are charmingly simplistic but dreadfully inefficient at scale, like trying to alphabetize a dictionary by manually swapping two words at a time. Others, like quicksort, are ruthlessly efficient, cutting data down like a masterful sushi chef. In the grand tradition of computing, sorting isn't just about keeping things tidy, it's a battleground of efficiency, computational complexity, and theoretical elegance. Giants of the field, like Donald Knuth and Corman et al., have dedicated their lives to optimizing this process, ensuring that everything from financial systems to Google search results runs with lightning speed. So, as we embark on this thrilling journey through sorting algorithms, remember, behind every instant Google search, every smoothly running database, and every neatly alphabetized playlist lies a meticulously designed algorithm ensuring order prevails over chaos. I am your guide, Antonio Klim. May the pseudo-powers be always with you.